So welcome back to Capsim Capstone 2024-2025, the top 10 winning tips to win all rounds lesson 8. Combination of INT, marketing and production. So don't separate this task for 3 members. You can combine that, you do that together because they are strictly or closely related to each other. I show you now. So each round we start with INT here, and then we update the product INT to update the product, right? Update the product. You check the other video from round 1 and lesson 1 to lesson 6 to see how to update that. Basically, we check the industry condition report here to update the product, and also use the free Excel file to calculate INT for 8 rounds. And round 1 we add 1 new product in low end, round 2 1 new product in traditional, round 3 1 new product in performance side or high end, depends. But this segment very important. Low end traditional account for 70% of the market share. And for the marketing, you know that you check the other video of round 1 to 6 to see how to set the price. I have one specific video for the price, and also set promotion and sales here and calculate the sales forecast. Then we move to the production. Based on the sales forecast, here we have the inventory, and then we calculate the production schedule, adjust the capacity, sell the surplus here, sell the surplus for number 1, number 3 product, traditional and high end, and update number 2 product with buy more capacity for low end. The other we can do that later. And also we update automation here to 5 and 7 and for the new product, right? So remember that 3 IND, marketing and production, very important. So do not separate that for 3 members. You do that together, right? Even if you have 3 members, you do that together. Or if you play alone, it's okay, right? So if you have any question, send the email to wincapsim2023@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Remember, round 1, 2, 3 very important. So start early. If you need the support, you send the email. And also, if you have the right strategy, remember that it is long-term strategy with 8 rounds. So round 1, 2, 3 very important. If you invest in early round, you get double sale and double profit, like you see on the screen. From round 4 to round 8, much higher than competitors, right? And you learn a lot when you win the game. Okay. If you need a support for 8 rounds, send the email. If you want to Q&A for all the 8 rounds anytime through WhatsApp, you can send the email. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.